Hello friends, today we will be making a very simple paper craft. It's a paper snowman. You can hang it on your Christmas tree. We will be making that. Materials needed to make this. You will need this for the body. It is a white paper. It is 2.25 inches and then times 5.5 inches here. You will need that. You will need this black paper for the hat, as it's 2.5 times 2.5, all equal. For the small little black paper for the rim, you will need 2.5 times 0.5 paper size. These are the decorations here. You will need these to decorate and make it more like a snowman. And you will also need this 123 punch board. It's by We Are Memory Keepers. It's by We Are Memory Keepers. They will open up like this. And you will need all of those materials, and if you have them, let's begin. So here, I'm going to put this here. Since we want the neck here, I'm going to align it with M. And I'm going to punch this to make the neck here of the snowman. And I'm going to align it with M again. And I'm going to align it with M here. And then punch it. So here we have the neck of the snowman. This is how your snowman should look. Now, for that, you already have this black paper, hopefully. So you are going to put the hat here. So we're going to get the glue. We're going to get the glue here. So hopefully you had enough time to make the neck here. We are going to begin by gluing the hat. So I'm going to open my glue stick. You should have this piece here with the hat. I am going to put some glue here. And then I'm going to take my hat piece and glue it with that. It should be a blue piece connecting with the white piece. Now, we're going to get this white piece. We're going to get this little blue other piece here, the small one. And I'm going to put some glue here. And then I am going to align it with this. So I'm going to glue it here. So that's how the hat should look like. And now for the decorating. And now for the body shape. Sorry. So now for the body shape. I am going to, on my punch board, I'm going to put my snowman here. So this curve here. So I'm going to put it here. On the other side, I'm going to punch. And then flip it over so you could see the bottom of the back side of the hat. And then I'm going to punch. So you should have round edges. This is how your snowman should look now. Now for the decorating part. We are going to glue the hat's decoration first. So I'm going to open my glue stick. And you should have this holly. You can use stickers. I used cut out pieces of paper. So I'm going to glue my holly. If you're using stickers, you don't need glue for this part. And I'm going to glue my other holly. It should look really Christmassy like this. Now, you should have a little bundle of cherries here. And now I am going to glue this to that. Perfect. That's how your holly should look now. This is how your snowman should look. Now we're going to glue the mouth. You should have this dome-shaped little piece of paper. And now we are going to glue this here. We're going to glue this here. Okay, now that you have the hollies on, we will start to glue the mouth. So I will put some glue on the mouth. It shouldn't be at the neck or we won't have any space for our scarf. So let's put it right here. Okay, that would be the mouth. And now we are going to get the eyes in. Now, we have two little blue dots here. You can use stickers for this part too. Now we are going to glue one eye. And then we're going to glue the other eye here. Okay. Okay, now that's how your snowman should look now. You should have a orange pieced triangle for the nose as a carrot. Now we are going to align the nose with this so we can glue it here. That is how your snowman should look now. Now for the scarf. We will start by putting it underneath this, and we're gonna put one little flap here, and then put this a little bit curved here. So that's how your scarf should look like. And now I'm going to dab some glue here so our scarf can stick. And I'm gonna crease it here. And that's our snowman. And now we have 3 buttons here, okay? We have 3 buttons. I have 2 red and 1 blue. You can use all the same color if you want to, whatever you want. So since this part is covering the scarf, we are not going to need the other button. So you can only have 2 buttons. So we're gonna put one right under the scarf, and then one right here. That way this can indicate that it's covering. Now we are going to take this puncher here, and now in the hat I am going to put this here and then punch it here to make a hole. Now that you have your hole, you will take the ribbon, and I am going to put the ribbon through here so you can hang it onto something like a door or a Christmas tree or something. Now I am going to tie a knot. To make sure there's a gap, we will first tie this, a simple part of tying your shoes like this, the first bit. After that, leave a little gap and then do the same thing with the 2 little strands. Left over, find the little gap there, and then glue it. Make it tight so you can see it right here. That is how your final snowman should be. I hope you enjoyed making the snowman with me. These are 2 other snowmans that I made. This is a 3D snowman that you can actually stand with a ribbon scarf instead of these paper scarves. So they all are similar. And I hope you enjoyed making the snowman with me, and come back for the next episode with me. Bye-bye!